이거도 귀엽다.
얘는 귀엽다.
I will ride the bus to see animal. Actually, this is my first time going na zoo. Imagine, sobrang tanda ko na. Pero ito yung unang time na pupunta ako ng zoo. Kaya excited na excited ako. Mag-ancestor! Pwede ilagay sa ganito.
It's a picture. Okay, look at here. 1, 2, smile. Look at the blue one. The other one. 찍어줄게.
Dito tayo ngayon sa safari bus kasi titignan natin yung wildlife na mga animals like Komodo dragon at iba pang mga animals. Super excited ako makita yun kasi katulad na sinabi ko kanina, ito yung kauna-unang pagkakataon na pupunta ako sa zoo. Hindi ko na sabihin ko anong edad ko pero matanda na ako para masabing naabutan ko yung hindi na may una, yung kasagsagan ng part ng barangay Ginebra San Miguel sa PBA. Ganun na ako katanda. Pero ito yung kauna na pupunta rin ako sa zoo. Kaya ayan.
So cute.
Tiger!
And tigers can sleep up to 16 hours a day.
Already for kissing.
Kiss.
And all of the camels. Excuse me, Bibi. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So guinea pigs comes from Peru. At the first, the breeds as Peruvian development foods, but nowadays they have been kept as pets. Similar in size to the guinea pigs, but perhaps not so cute and cuddly. We have the rats. There are some rats on the ropes, and I think it's Italia. Europeans were the biggest exporters of these animals. Have you heard this? Yes, we have the cats and the pig. Cat Kalimantan. So now please welcome Juna. Our magnificent red hornbill. Here we have Juna, our male hornbill. With your hands. I'm gonna choose the most excited one. Yeah? Be excited, please. More excited. Louder. Okay.
KO.
1, 2, and 3. Wow, well done, Miguel. Okay, so how does it feel? Good. It's good? You like it? What you gonna do, Bruno? What you gonna do?
Pupunta naman ako para makita isa sa mga deadliest animal in the world. which is the Komodo Dragon. Like ko nakikita yung Komodo Dragon sa mga documentary and I'm so curious about them. Kaya pupunta ko ngayon para makita sila face to face. Face to face talaga. Okay, nasa na ang ating Komodo Dragon? Komodo! Komodo, where are you? Ah, ito! Pero sobrang liit niya. Ayan ang Komodo. I think so. This is a baby Komodo. Aha! Ito yung Komodo Dragon, guys. Nakita ko na siya sa wakas. So after we had our lunch, andito naman kami ngayon sa isang winery para sa aming wine tour at super excited. Lagi nilang excited. Siyempre, kapag may mga bago akong ginagawa, nakaka-excite talaga siya. Kaya sa ngayon, excited ako na simulan na ating wine tour at makatikin ng iba't ibang delicacy ng wine. Yung mga nakita nyo sa paligid, ang daming wine. Mamaya, bibigyan nila tayo ng welcome drink. Tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap yung welcome drink. Infused Wonder.
No alcohol.
All this is non-alcoholic beverage. Infused. Kalimutan ko agad yun eh.
What is that?
Pero ito yung welcome drink nila. This is just water and lime. Tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap yung welcome drink. So it's just water and lime. It's refreshing. So we will start our winery tour. Sabi nila maglalakad daw tayo ng 35 minutes bago tayo bumalik doon para gawin yung taste. To do the tasting together. Medyo mainit. Kaya kailangan natin magsuot ng sunglass. Tada!
I'll get here.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
move to our
sinabi niya sa
winery.
amin yung history kung paano nagsimula yung winery na to. Kung saan sila kumukuha ng grapes. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Is the grape here sweet?
The grape?
Because this country is like it's hot place, so I thought if it is hot place it will be hard to grow sweet grapes.
Yeah, the characteristic is a little bit sour.
It's a little bit sour because of the climate.
Yeah, the climate is different. The soil also different.
Yes, right.
To get this 1 bottle of vodka, we need 7 bottle aroma of the oak, and also it will give the color with 40% alcohol as well. So 40.
After paliwanag sa atin yung iba't ibang kasi ng wine, pupunta tayo sa processing nila. Kung paano nila pinaprocess yung wine. The smell is like, fermenting smell.
This one is
Like the yeast.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So this one is
Para siyang lasa siyang, hindi lasa, amoy yeast yung paligid ng processing area ng wine.
so this machine
Parang-
we got it from Italy.
Oh, this machine. It's like time machine. Para siyang time machine. Gagawin natin ang ating first tasting para sa ating wine. Meron siyang sweet aroma.
Something like
It's dry. It's not sweet, but it's so refreshing. Ang init ka agad sa tip-tip pag inom mo siya.
right?
I think I would prepare the sweet one. I'm a sweet person. I mean, I like this. I have a sweet tongue.
Yeah, I see.
But even though it wasn't sweet, there's a sweet taste at the end.
Yeah.
At the end, at the tip of my mouth, there's a sweet taste, so I like it. Galing siya sa wine bottles. Tastes like water. You like it? It tastes like first it's like water, then suddenly there's a bitter taste and sour taste. This is
Already
fried
loved it.
potato and saba-saba.
Nani?
Like, it tastes French fries. It's kasaba, but since French fries, I really wonder kung paano nila niluluto ito. Pero di ba sa Philippines, kapag kasaba, minamatamis nila. Pero yung nasa ito, parang siyang lagyan ng salt. Like fried potato.
That's the last one. It's Ludicia, the sweet red one.
That's right.
This one's sweet.
Sweet. I like sweet. Hey, sweet wine. 맛있어. Hi guys, for today's schedule, I'm going to the Potato Head Beach Clubs. Let's go. I don't know this place, but I'm just going to tell you for suggestion. So we're inside like a cave. Tapos sa harap natin ay merong tada. Wow.
Nice.
Wow, that's strong. It is prettier here at night because as you can see the night is red and everything is red and everyone is coming here, so I'm just going to rest here and look at the sky and enjoy the view. Right now, I am in Zinin Cafe here in Kango Valley. And even though I am on holiday, I need to work. Kailangan kong magtrabaho kahit na vacation ko. Kaya dito ako magwo-work. pumunta ako sa Kuta Beach para panood sana yung sunset. Kaso, dahil maulap ngayon, walang sunset. As of now, it's already 5:30, so we still have 30 minutes. Kaya naglalakad-lakad muna kami around Kuta para mas magutom kami. Kasi pag mas gutom ka, mas marami kang makakain. So, meron akong story noon nakaraang araw. We are waiting, siguro mga 12 p.m. noon or 1 p.m. I'm not sure. Pero nagulat kami kasi sa tabi namin may ahas. Grabe. As in, ganito siya kakapal. Yung ulo niya ganito kalaki. Ang haba niya. So, parang ang tiyo. Pinikitingin na ako makita sa makeup. Pero ako tayo, kalsada sa ahas. Anyway, pagod na ako maglakad. So, dun sa may kalsada ng Bali, meron akong nakikita na I don't know what they call that, but I will search that later. Like, kind siya ng box. Box na parang gawa siya sa dahon ng saging. Kalagay na flower. Yung mga parang nilalagay sila na parang handog, pagkain dun sa box na yon. Almost all shop, pag pumunta ka sa iba't ibang shop, may mga ganong box. Like ganito siya, oh. Yan. Ito, yan. Parang ganyan. Nakarating na tayo sa restaurant kung saan tayo nag-reserve. Ito na siya, papakita ko.
Wait a minute.
Akala ko dito kami nag-reserve. Pala kami ng bread. We're just going to buy bread. This is not the restaurant we reserved before. Bili lang tayo ng croissant at ng coffee. Tapos lalakad ibig tayo mamaya. Gusto ko yung lighting ng restaurant na ko. Lahat sila gamit nila warm and then meron silang candle sa gitna. Yung sabi nila, mahirap daw magkaroon ng reservation sa restaurant na to, pero pinalad kami na makapartner. So I have a good dinner before. Tapos nagawa ko na rin yung work ko for today. Nagpunta ako sa beach pero walang sunset. Pero okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman ako sa araw na to. At ngayon, tapos na siya. Cut na siya. Uwi na ako ng bahay. Kaya, ayun, natawag na ako ng Grab. And I will go and rest para naman sa susunod na adventure bukas. See you again tomorrow!